Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Little quick one this morning. We're in sunny beach, Bulgaria, and we're going to try and catch a sunrise. Little video, a few pictures, that's about all. So yeah, should be a nice one. Catch you in a bit. So I'm going to set you up for a hyperlapse now. Hopefully the sun's going to rise just above here. Should be quite nice. Let's see how it turns out. One error in judgment has been the fact that, unlike real beach, sunny beach has got a lot of people coming to watch the sunrise, including old blokes in their speedos. Don't get that in real beach. Not at 6:25 in the morning. I've never seen it anyway. And everybody decides to do their daily run along the beach and walk and exercises and everything. You probably see that on the hyperlapse. See how that turns out. Dogs, everything, we get everything in there. It'll be fun to watch anyway, see how it comes out. I think that hyperlapse turned out alright, or time lapse. It's the first ever one that I've done. But it was at that point, just as the sun had risen, enough to see a nice sunrise, that I think the whole population of Sunny Beach came and decided that they were going to go for a swim or run up. It's very, very busy. Let's say it's definitely not real beach, but yeah. Seems that everybody likes to come out and have a swim for the sunrise or do some exercise for the sunrise, and why wouldn't you? It's beautiful, stunning. I've got some good pictures, I'll stick them up now. Thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe if you like this. See you in the next one.